Meaning of error message.
Error message.
Error message.
Error message.
Error message. An error message is a notification displayed on a computer or electronic device indicating that an operation or command was unsuccessful. These messages may contain information about what caused the error and ways to fix it. Error messages help users identify and troubleshoot issues with their devices or software. They can range from simple messages such as "file not found" to more complex ones that require technical knowledge to understand. Understanding error messages is essential for effective troubleshooting and resolving issues with electronic devices.